I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you. And please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, we're going to see a language pattern that you'll see repeatedly with these word formation exercises, and that is no plus gap. Now, no is always going to need a noun of some kind, and here it might be a bit tricky because after the gap, if there's a noun, you're going to need an adjective. But here, we don't have the noun which connects to no, so that means we need to put in the noun for this gap. And of course, the answer is connection. These superstitions usually have no connection with success. For question number 2, we've got the word at the beginning of the sentence and at the beginning of the paragraph, which means that the only word that we can use to influence or to work out what kind of word we need here is the word after the gap, and that is a noun. So what we need here is an adjective to modify that noun. The answer is, of course, competitive. For question number 3, what word do we need here to fill in this gap? Well, the stem word is an adjective, so we can't use an adjective. Using the adverb doesn't make any sense. To achieve as close to perfectly as they can possibly manage doesn't work. What does work? A noun. To achieve plus noun. To achieve a success, to achieve whatever it is, it's going to be a noun. So here, achieve as close to perfection as they can possibly manage. For question number 4, we once again see a very common language pattern to these word formation exercises, and that's find plus something plus adjective. And that's exactly what we can see here. Find this. This is a substitutive form which refers to pressure, which was mentioned in the sentence before. So to find pressure extremely what? Well, extremely is an adverb which modifies adjectives. Another clue that we need an adjective. So the answer here is stressful. Question number 5, helps them to feel more plus adjective. You feel more, in this case, relaxed. Question number 6, exactly the same language pattern. Feel more plus adjective. In this case, confident. For question number 7, if we have a look just before the gap, we can see that there is an adverb, potentially. Adverbs modify both verbs and adjectives. So what do we need here? Do we need a verb or an adjective? Well, the verb of danger is endanger, so could also be potentially endanger. Doesn't make any sense whatsoever. What we need here is clearly the adjective, which is dangerous. Question number 8, before the gap we've got an adjective. Where is the noun that adjective is modifying? We don't have it. Before the adjective we have an article. Where is the noun to which that article refers? We don't have it. What do we need here? We need the noun. What's the answer? Dependence.